Hey everybody, it's Mr. Chris from the Hudson Area Public Library. We're doing a STEM video for you today, so please like or subscribe on our YouTube channel so we know you're getting the videos. So this ties to a previous video. These are our tomato seeds that we planted, if you remember, back indoors when we were showing them. So they're about 3 inches tall now in these little peat pods, and so now they're big enough to transfer to a pot I kind of prepped before we started the video. So I got the soil wet. I used a spade to dig up the soil, watered it all so they can easily transfer and get going. So we still got them grouped on the sides. If you'll remember, we got our M seeds on that side, and then we've got our L seeds on this side. So all 4 of them sprouted, which is the good news. One's a little bit smaller than the others. The others are about that 3-inch variety. And so we're gonna plant them in this pot, and I'm gonna keep them the same spacing. So I'll have the M's on this side and the L's on this side, so we can kind of keep track of what is what, and we'll get those planted. So I'm just gonna show you what it'll look like. So we're doing some L's there. So I'll get these planted. It'll be kind of like that. And then we can track the growth. So I'll get all the soil in there, get them watered again, and we'll keep doing our measurements. So that's kind of where we're at. So again, this is Mr. Chris with the Hudson Area Public Library. We'll give another update, and you can make your votes on which ones you think lived in space and which are the off-the-shelf tomato seeds. But we hope you can follow along, and hopefully we get some tomatoes here going by the end of the summer. Thanks a lot. Talk to you soon.